up with it. Come on. What is this dog doing? That dummy dog, man. That's a dumb dog. That thing gonna get ran over. I don't know what he thought he was doing, but he didn't press me, no. He got pressed. That's all that happened. That's all that happened there. Alright, so I would pull the four-wheeler down there, but I actually kind of don't want to scare all the fish away. And so here's the game plan. We have these freezer burnt hot dogs that have been in the freezer for too long, obviously. If you don't know what freezer burnt means. So I got them in a bowl here. I was warming them up. I used them earlier too. I actually kind of forgot them. But I'm about to use them again. Because, I don't know. I have nothing else to do. And I might eat me some fish for dinner. If I catch a big enough one. And so we're going to do that. And we're going to do some fly fishing. Okay. So what you want to do, really, is get as much skin on it as possible. That's really what keeps it on. I mean, it's right about to get dark. That's why we came out here today. Because this is around about the best time to fish in the day. So we're just going to leave that there. After doing that, maybe we'll catch a fish on that. And then we're going to come back. Alright. Houston, we have a problem here. There we go. Got one. Golly, that was first cast. And y'all can see. Dang, I mean, just freaking first cast. Not even barely into it. This is a decent sized little guy. He's not quite big enough to eat. But, you know, he's a good one. I didn't bring pliers, so yeah. There he goes. Right back on his way. Fish number one. And cast number one. Ironically. Maybe we'll catch one cast number two. But yeah. Oh, I'm getting some bites. Oh, I thought I had one on. I can't really see. This water is like super glary almost. Oh, I felt like I had one right there. I don't know why. I feel like someone was taking the line. So what I think happened was that dog that tried to attack me actually turned out to be good luck. See what I'm saying? Good grief. Y'all hear those frogs? I need to come frog hunt this place. Ooh, I got a bite. I got a bite. I got one on. Trying to... Ooh, I had a bite. I had a bite. He come off, though. Y'all can hear those frogs. Golly. There's one. Oh, y'all heard that one? That was a big one, dude. Those are some nice sized frogs. Come eat them. Got another one. Sweet, boys. We got another fish, dude. That's a good one. It's a decent bluegill. You know? There's something up with his eye. I want to say he's bleeding in his eye. But at the same time, maybe he just has red eyes. I don't really know. I don't know enough about bluegills to tell you. I don't know if they can have red eyes. Here we go, boys. We got another one. Oh. Well, I tried to release him good. He flopped out of my hands. That's funny. Poor guy. Well, he'll be okay. He will definitely be okay. That's for sure. Just splendiful, is how I would describe that cast. Splendiful, I think that's a good word for it. Splendus, splendtrendimist. Splendtrendimist? What? That doesn't even make no sense. Alright, I was trying to cast above head, because it actually gets a lot farther if you do that, but I don't know. Don't seem like this piece of hot dog is doing too hot. But it's okay. A dry fly would work pretty good right now. But I don't even think I have a dry fly with me. Only have that one box. My one little thing here. I didn't bring all of them. So I don't have my dry fly with me. I'm gonna try one time. Just cast it out and let it sit. Let it fall down. Go ahead and get in some of the slack. It looks like we got one. Oh my goodness. Dude, that had to be a fish. We're gonna go try a few different spots. Still probably a few fish around. But, I don't know. I haven't had much luck yet today. I mean, what am I talking about, dude? I just caught 2 fish and not that many casts. I don't know what I'm talking about. I haven't had that much luck. I've had great luck. Sometimes I'm just not on my game, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I just haven't had much luck today. I've been fishing for roughly 10 minutes and caught 2 fish. That's what I don't even know. Don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. I'm just talking. Just talking. It's so hard to cast with there being trees right behind you. You can't get it too far right there. I think just walking with it will be work pretty well. Because these fish like to chase it, especially these little bluegill. But there we go, that was a pretty good cast. Got one. Woo, he's a smaller guy. Don't try to go back in that water. Are you stupid? You stupid, brother. Brother. What are you doing? I gotta get you off the hook first, mister. Alright, this guy's gonna try to flop. No, he didn't. Surprising. They like to flop. Alright, here he goes. Kind of dropping him a little bit, but that's okay. He's alright. There seems to be one just sitting everywhere. I catch a lot of fish, Definitely a good bit, though. Alright. That should be a fish right there. Should be a fish. Yep, thought so. This is a nicer one. Get up on the bank, baby. Oh, this is a big guy. Golly. This is a big sucker. This is a big old bluegill, honey. Like for the bite. I could eat him. I could. But he's a nice guy. That's him compared to my hand. He's about the size of my hand. So yeah, I gotta drop him a little bit here, but he'll be okay. I'm not really hungry. If I was hungry, I would probably keep him and eat him, but we have food. My mom's gonna cook tonight, so I think we'll be okay. And better yet, she's cooking deer, so, you know. We're kind of living in luxury right here. You know what I'm saying? Deer. It don't get much better than deer. It don't. Other than some fish. Fish is about the same, but yeah, some deer is great. There we go. That should be a fish right there. No doubt about it. No doubt in my mind. I think we already got one. Yep. Golly! Boys, this is a good one. This is better than the last one. And the last one was like, no, shoddy come off. Man, boys, he was a good one. He was a good one. I'm talking like high weight, big fish. Something. I can't even talk right now. I'm a little bit flustered that I didn't keep that guy on, you know. But I'm glad I got a chance to fight him for a little while, and that's all that matters. You know, at least I got some joy out of it. Now, let's catch another fish. If we can keep him on, that is. Alright, that should be another fish right there. Just let it sit. I think we already got one. Maybe not. I assume. But I'm still new to this, so you got any tips, leave them down in the comments. Wow. Chill. I'll get my little tree real quick. This is my least favorite spot to cast, but it's also my favorite spot to cast at the same time, because there's, at one hand, you got a tree of limb hanging right there, but on the other hand, if you're fishing at the right time of day and with the right bait, this is the spot. This is where most of the fish are, or a good bit of fish are, and a big one. I know some decent sized ones live in here, because it's right next to this tree and it's on this corner. So if you cast just right, you can, if you get close enough to the tree, they'll see it and they'll slam it. Golly, I had one. He come off. I sound like a bunch of tanks, bro. It's kind of weird. I'm not getting that many bites right here. It's because I'm not getting it far enough, I'm sure. On here fell in right there. That's what I'm talking about. Get lit. Some. See, so y'all see that explosion right there. You see these fish, they're right here. Y'all know it. And I'm starting to think it's mainly just because I'm not getting this far enough. But it'll be okay. I'm not trying to survive or nothing. If I was, then I would have kept those other fish. Might be about time to move on to another spot. It's getting dark, which is a good time to fish, but at the same time you can't see crap. You know, fish are biting, but you can't see. Oh my gosh, y'all see that thing? Take it away, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we'll do a couple more casts here before we leave. I got a different idea of how I'm going to try to cast next time. If you never fly fished before, you should probably come out and do it. It's really fun. Definitely worth your while. For sure. It is cold, getting quite dark, but I think I'm going to... It'll be okay. That was a gunshot, but it'll be okay. Anyways, forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to throw a few more casts, as many more as I can until it gets dark. But dude, the fishing's been so good, I don't want to leave. You know, the fishing's just great. It starts to get dark. I don't want to leave. I want to keep catching fish. I do. But unfortunately, I don't think it's something I can do. I don't really have a spotlight. I'll reel in a little bit of this line. I need to have a little bit more control over this. There's so much slack, I can't even do anything with it. Golly. That just don't sound right. That sounds way too close for comfort. And it's nighttime. You want me to please go I have enough common sense not to shoot during nighttime. But maybe not. Maybe it's not shooting. Oh, we have a fish on, I think. Maybe. Oh my gosh, if this bug don't get out of my ear. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Gunshots, people screaming, stuff like that. So, I'll catch you guys. Well, I'm gonna keep the camera on in case something happens, but yeah. We're gonna try and get out of here as quick as we can. I think we'll be okay, but it's a little risky. I have one on. How long have I had this guy on? I feel bad now. Well, hey guys, last fish of the day. Didn't even realize I had him on. I've just been letting this rod sit over here. He swallowed it. This is the last thing I need right now. Crap. I might have to eat this guy. He swallowed the hook. I can't even see the hook down in his throat. There it is. Alright, boys.
Hello?
What are all these gunshots? You hear them?
No, I heard some earlier, but they were way off.
Do people target
How
practice?
you come home?
Huh? I got a fish, and the hook is, he swallowed the hook.
He'll probably die. You can chop the line and throw it back, or you can bring it home.
I mean, he's small. I wouldn't get so much food off of him.
Well, just throw it back. Cut your line and throw it back.
I'm trying to drop my pliers. Alright, well. Some sort of motorcycle rolling by.
Oh, yeah. What was that noise?
I think a gunshot.
That close?
Yeah. There's somebody coming by. It was either a gunshot or the motorcycle. Road. Can you go outside and see what's coming down the road? It's going back past me. What is it?
Yeah, there's somebody parked out there in front of it.
Where?
I think it's back home.
I think it was too. I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah, they're having trouble with their vehicle.
Yeah. Was that a gun or was that?
Sounds like a gun, but it's backfire.
Are you sure?
No.
Where are they at?
Right here in front of the house.
Well, should I come home or should I wait? Should I come home or should I wait?
You need to stay there.
Are they leaving?
They're right in front of our driveway. Huh?
What is it? What is it?
Huh?
What is that?
I told you it's a vehicle one time in the truck.
Are they leaving now? Or are they still parked in front of our driveway? Daddy,
Yeah, they were shooting.
they were shooting?
Yeah.
Or are they leaving?
Yeah. You know, there's people out here in the driveway with a horse.
Are they gone? Should I come home?
You can come home now.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, well, I'm just showing you, I'm gonna go fast.
I'm on the front porch. Come on.
I'm going fast. I'm coming. Bye. Where's that Bronco?